Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader Nexo. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD/CAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of AUD/CAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and as you can see, I am using the weekly time frame. If you watch my previous videos, you know it pretty well that I'm a big fan of multi-time frame analysis. And I do consult the weekly time frame to get the bigger picture. And on the weekly chart, we can easily see that market has formed a red candle. Okay, red candle this week. Previous week, market formed a doji kind of a pattern or a spinning top kind of a pattern. And this kind of a pattern generally suggests that there is an indecision going on in the market. Yes, there was some indecision. There was a tug of war kind of a situation in the market previous week. And this week we can see that market is being dominated by the sellers. Okay, and we have a support level also in the weekly chart, 0.9246. okay, now let's switch to our beloved 4 hours time frame, my favorite too. So this is the 4 hours time frame, and as you can see, the weekly the support on the weekly time frame is not visible here right now. That means it is quite far away. So what should be a strategy then? And as you can see, overall the trend of the market is towards the downside. Market is under heavy influence of the bears, the sellers. So in a market like this, okay, our strategy always remains simple. It's a sell on rise market. It's a sell on rise market, and as I always say, you should always look for the area of value. Okay, before going for any order, you should always look for the area of value. If the market is going up, then your area of value will be near the support. If the market is going down, the area of value to short the market will be just about below the resistance. So in this case, the area of value is the resistance, and as you can see on the screen, our 50 moving average, this 50 moving average is acting as a resistance for the market. See, so what should be a strategy? The strategy is simple. Right now we can see that market is heavily oversold. Okay, heavily oversold, and we should wait for the market to go up. Okay, when market will be going up and hit the 50 moving average again, okay, hit the 50 moving average again, then just observe the market, just watch the price. If you see that price is struggling again at the 50 moving average, market is facing selling pressure from above, market is making shooting star kind of a pattern or red candle like this, or price rejection from above, then you will get the confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is still a valid resistance for the market. And once you get a confirmation that yes, it's a valid resistance, you can short the market. Okay, you can short the market. Your stop loss will be just above the 50 moving average. Okay, so you got the area of value, and the best trading opportunity in the market like this is short the market at the resistance. Okay, so in AUD/CAD, your best trading opportunity will be short term market at the 50 moving average. So wait for the market to go up and hit the 50 moving average. When it will reverse, short the market. Once you get a confirmation, yes, confirmation is very important. Okay, because a sudden buying pressure may also come and market may break the 50 moving average. Therefore, confirmation is important. Understanding the market psychology is important. So once market reverses from there, price rejection from above, then you will understand the market psychology that yes, price is being the market is being still dominated by the sellers. Yes, I can short the market safely. Then only short the market. Okay, that's it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.